Speaking about any gothic look, goth makeup is considered one of the main key elements, as it adds the drama to your look and takes it to the next level. So whether you're a beginner or getting adventurous with your look, in this video, we have covered for you what a goth makeup look is and how to create it. In the 1970s, punk music artists who were inspired by gothic dark and grunge literature decided to use those elements in their lyrics. As a result, another genre of music emerged known as gothic rock. This genre included bands like Banshees, Bauhaus, Susie, The Cure, and Joy Division. Their different makeup styles featuring cold, dark, and death became so popular that they inspired many gothic horror films, themes of music festivals, and then the celebrity fashions. Today, you will find different kinds of gothic makeup, from classic gothic makeup, emo, cyberpunk, steampunk to our favorite romantic and Lolita. Even though there are variations today, goth makeup is still sought after when anyone wants to stand out in the crowd. Goth makeup is all about having fun, so typically, there are no hard and fast rules. Because goth culture was always a safe space for anyone who wants to self-express the way they want to dress up or do their makeup. But if you're confused about where to start, keep watching to pull the basic goth makeup look. A smooth porcelain skin look is a must for classic gothic makeup. But whatever your skin type is, you can create the same effect by making sure your skin looks as smooth as a lifeless doll. Now, to give the effect to your face, you can use Manic Panic Goth White Cream or Powder Foundation. It's a paraben-free velvety cream with the potent finish of a powder. By using this foundation, your eyeshadows will pop up a lot, giving you that gothic effect you want. And so, this foundation is a favorite among goths, cosplayers, and special effect makeup artists. Now, coming to the eye colors, choosing a perfect eyeshadow palette is a must. And to create classic gothic makeup, dark colors predominantly play roles. You can choose any eyeshadow palette that has more of the dark colors, like the Smashbox Cover Shot Eyeshadow Palette Punk. This eyeshadow palette contains 8 high-quality shadows featuring dark grays, gloomy purples to a few flashes of silver. This themed punked palette makes it a must-have for any glam goth style. You can choose any kind of eyeliner, whether it's a pencil, liquid, or pen. Black works every time with goth makeup. And so there is no reason why you can't experiment with another dark eyeliner color. For your lashes, you can use a mascara that adds volume to your lashes if you don't want to sport false eyelashes. However, for that extra dramatic look, try wearing a heavy false eyelash, and you will be amazed at seeing how much difference just lashes can bring to your look. Just like the eye color, lip color is vital in goth makeup, especially a black-colored one like the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Witches. It's a black pitch lipstick that gives a long-lasting effect and is true matte to finish. So these are a few tips on how you can create a goth makeup look like a beginner. But remember, while doing a goth makeup look, create it in a way so that it balances with your outfit and occasion. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends if you find our videos helpful. Be sure to subscribe and press that notification bell for more updates in the future.